How to screen share on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can screen share on Zoom. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Zoom account and then open a meeting. So once you're in your meeting and you can see the meeting controls located by the lower part of the screen, which include unmute, start video, security, participant, share screen, etc. Once you can see all of these and then you want to share your screen, the next step to do is move to the lower part of the screen again where you can see all of these options and then click on share screen. Share screen is located in between participants and chat. After clicking on share screen, in the box displayed, you see the option one participant at a time or multiple participants at a time. That is, do you want to share your screen to one participant at a time or do you want multiple participants to share simultaneously? For me, I'll just be picking one participant at a time. And then you can also work with advanced sharing options. Once this page is displayed, you can see the advanced options. Who can share host only or participants? You can address it here. Who can start sharing when everyone is sharing host only, and then you click on close. And from here, whenever you want to share your screen, you can always go ahead and do so by clicking on this arrow or clicking on the share screen itself. Once you click on share screen, you can see the page being displayed here, and then you have to choose what you want to share. So you can click on window, you can click on Chrome, you can click on the entire screen like that, and that is it. This is how you can share screen on Zoom. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.